So right when I got elected president of student body in 1992-93, one of the first things I did after kind of scanning the field of all the things I wanted to get accomplished was Gregory Gym. You looked at Gregory Gym at the time and you're like, this is 367,000 square feet of space that could be beautiful right in the heart of campus. Now I'm president of the student body. Let me go meet this guy who runs this place. And I walked into Tom's office and I said, Tom, this is 367,000 square feet of unusable space. We can certainly make it better, can we? And he had this giant smile on his face. And he goes, I was just waiting for someone like you to walk in the office. He had already kind of had preliminary discussions with architects and designers. And he goes, do you think you can sell this to the students? Because the students would have to vote on it and pay for it. Or what Tom and I talked about was pitching to the students about what we can leave as a legacy project to the next generation of students who will get to enjoy it once it was open. And so a special committee appointed of students and faculty and staff, we started thinking of all these wonderful ideas that it's amazing that all those ideas became reality. The indoor track that's on top of the basketball, the weight room. When you walk into Gregory Gym, you notice that there's kind of this finish out of the new part, but you can still see the old brick of the historic Gregory Gym. These things are not by accident. In the end, we want to be good stewards of the future generation's money.
When I came in here and I benched 405 for the first time, that was crazy. I never thought I could do it with my life. Just coming here on a stressful day, play some volleyball and make new friends here. Yeah, it's been quite a good time. The first time when I came here and had the American experience of playing basketball, it was like really, really good. So that is one thing that I always cherish.
I thought it was great in the sense that all the constituents from 4 years, 5 years prior said this is what we think students will want 5 years for whatever period of time in the future will want then. And you open up and you walk in, you're like, this is it.